morning, guys. I am not going to be in a meeting with you today because I am teaching another kiddo, but I did want to let you know that we are doing a new project this week as we are wrapping up with our PSSA testing. So you guys are going to do a quadrilateral city book. So you guys are going to go ahead and basically design a town using geometric shapes. So here is the setup. Quadrilateral City welcomes you. Quadrilateral City is a place where everything from buildings and roads to houses and parks are built using only quadrilaterals. The citizens of Quadrilateral City recently passed a bond to fund the renovation of their town square. The city's mayor heard about your expertise in all things quadrilateral and considered hiring you as the lead architect for the redesign project. The following pages will help guide you as you prepare to present your redesign at the following town or upcoming town meeting. So remember, guys, quadrilateral. Quad is our root word here. It means four. Lateral, right? Line. Quadrilateral is four-sided figures. Okay? So, your project steps, there will be 4 steps to this project. 4 main steps will be broken down individually, but we're just going to go over the big ones. So, step 1, we're going to draw and label a map showing our town square design using the map design checklist. Then we're going to create a guidebook explaining the important features and shapes included in your design. You're going to write a speech to help present your design to the upcoming town hall meeting. And finally, you're going to score yourself. Tell me what you think you got. So you guys are going to start today by drawing your map. Before breaking ground at the project site, the mayor has requested that you draw an aerial view map of your proposed design. The citizens of Quadrilateral City would like to see at least one of each type of quadrilateral included in the design. So their unique town identity also, has a presence throughout the Times Square. The citizens also have agreed that the features listed below must be included in their new town square. So you guys are going to have to provide 2 restaurants, 2 retail shops, a city hall, a library, a theater, a hotel, a park, a post office, streets, and sidewalks. Okay? So you guys are going to go ahead and draw your map. As you create your map, it's going to be helpful to have the town square map score rubric to help make sure that you are doing everything that you need to. Okay? One has been included next to the map you'll be creating. So I will be showing you the documents you will be using momentarily. Here's how you can use the rubric as a tool to create the map that very clearly shows your knowledge and skills. So decide which score on the rubric you are aiming to earn. I hope that we are aiming to earn a 4. Read the requirements for that score. Highlight the words that include those requirements and make them different from the next score down. And then keep the highlighted words in mind as you complete this step. So you guys are going to go ahead and draw your map. Open the file, Quadrilateral City Town Square Map. Drag the quadrilaterals onto the map space to create a rough draft map that includes all requested town square features. Remember that this is a rough draft. It's a sketch. So there's no need to add any special details yet. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and try to get an idea of where we want to place things. So we need to include a parallelogram, a rectangle, a square, a trapezoid, and a rhombus, at least one of each of those. Okay. These are, remember, the features that they have asked that you include. So after we've done our sketch, we're going to have a staff member review our map with us. This is going to help us double check that all the required town features and quadrilaterals are included in your design. So you guys are going to go ahead and have a staff member check over for step 2. Once you have been approved, right, so you could check off each of these to make sure that everything is there. Once you have that approved, you're going to do your finishing touches. So you're going to darken those lines on the shapes. You're going to add things like plants, trees, other things like that, right? Any special items that you want to add. Okay. Add color to your map so that it catches the attention of townspeople at the town hall meeting. Add special features like plants, benches, stoplights, and signs. So then later in the week, you guys are going to be working on your guidebook. Open the file titled Quadrilateral City Guidebook, Speech and Rubrics. So this is where you're going to record information about each of the different features that you have in the city. So when describing the unique characteristics of each quadrilateral, be sure to include as much academic vocabulary as we can, right? Unique architectural characteristics. Talk about the number of sides, angles. Are there any parallel sides? What's perpendicular? Are there right angles? Are there opposites? Are there equal features? So again, use the rubric to help you complete your guidebook. So you are going to go ahead and just follow the steps on, this is slide 12 of the directions, right? So name the feature. Imagine that you're standing at the sidewalk. What would it look like? Imagine you're a plane looking down. What would it look like? And then fill in each of the pieces, right? That's all I'm going to give you now. This is kind of what I want us to get through for the first few days. So I will have another video up for you once we are ready to go on to the last portion of this project. If you guys do have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to staff. And if I have some time, I will try to go ahead and join the meeting to see if you guys need any help from me. That's everything today, guys. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.